Okay, welcome today. Today I have a Toyota Land Cruiser. This is a V8 with a TUZ engine. Okay, it is having a problem with the ABS light. It is staying on, and the code is C1248, which is the difflock pickup sensor. I have followed up the wire, and the wire from the pickup switch there to the ABS control module, which is located under the steering. You have to open the covers. It is located inside there. Okay, there is a wire here which is supposed to be having power but is not having it, and it is coming from the pickup sensor there down. So I have traced and I found the wire has a high resistance, so there is very light current which is coming here. So I'm going to follow up the wire. After following up the wire, initially if you start the car ABS light won't go on. Okay, I'm starting the car. You can see the ABS light is on, but if I power that wire, I'm going to switch off the car. Okay, if I power this wire, I've been using a coupless bulb first of all to power my wire, so that we cannot have any electrical short circuit. Okay, I powered my wire and I put on the ignition, as you can see. Okay, I'm going to start the car. Okay, no power yet. Okay, let me connect. Okay, there is it. The ABS warning lamp is gone. If I remove my wire, the ABS will return. If I put the wire correctly, the ABS light is going on. So this was I made a video another day from this Land Cruiser. So it is okay that the problem has been found and everything is okay. I can take you around the bonnet. You can see there is our ECU. We have an Android radio there. This is an aftermarket installation ECU, so I was tracing up everything. Okay, let me take you around the hood. And the car, the interiors are very fine, as you can see for yourself. Let me take you under the hood. This is a Land Cruiser Prado. This is a V8 Land Cruiser Prado here in Mombasa. This area our brake booster. Also you could having the problem the difflock pickup sensor, so I was tracing from here the hydraulic brake booster, but they are all connection are okay. This is a 4.7 liter V8 engine. Very fine car. TUZ every engine, and everything have been sorted, because down there we had a pickup sensor. I don't know whether you can see clearly, but our difflock pickup sensor, let me take you down there, see if you can see. Okay, there's so much light in front. This is the rear difflock, which is connecting the propeller, and our pickup sensor is up there. If you can see, this exhaust is very hot. I can't touch there, but our pickup sensor is there. It was broken also, so it was contacting some ground. The fuse were keeping burning and destructive. Yeah.